Unfortunately, this takedown happened so fast that I wasn't able to get any video. It was very, very fast. The peregrine dove down so fast and took down the pigeon within seconds. The pigeon fluttered on the ground. It was kind of gruesome to watch. We've noticed this falcon hanging around for quite some time, soaring high above and circling around. This was the third takedown of a pigeon I have seen on our property by what I believe to be a peregrine falcon. Since we have closed in all of the former pigeons' roosting and living areas, we haven't noticed the falcon circling high above. Guess he or she has moved on to better feeding grounds. Hopefully it went down to downtown Broad Street to help with the pigeons there. These pictures aren't the best because I didn't want to get too close. The peregrine seemed pretty vicious. And away it took its prey.